Oh my god! That face! Yes, my friend. Hey guys, it is Little Red Knife here, and we're back with another episode of Modern Survival. Where today, we are pimped out as hell. Pretty sure I added some different mods beyond videos. Well, not beyond. After recording, and yeah. So yeah, I have so much lag. I'm gonna light this place up. I have the best shade. We have the best shaders back in the world. Yeah. Yes, fuck off. Oh my god. Shut up. Kitty? Kitty! Kitty! Oh my god, I need fish, I need fish, I need fish, I need fish. You know what, I'm gonna turn it today, I'm sorry guys. But I need that kitten. God. See there, kitten? Yes, yeah. Stay there, kitty. What? Stay there. No, Mr. Kitty. Come back. Oh, you're hurt. Ugh. Yes, Mr. Fish. Oh, I got experience for catching fish. I didn't know that. Come here. No. Why can't I? I want you. Wait, do you need mouse? No. Mouse. Let me see something, guys. I promise I'm just gonna do all this. Get out of here. No, where'd you go, Kitty? Why do I have battle axes? What? When did I make a battle axe? Whoa, how did you get out? Wait, what? Whoa, you guys can climb. Okay, I don't know how I have that, so I'm just gonna delete it. Huh. I wonder how you tame a cat. Like that, like with no creatures. Where is it? That. Oh. Hey, mouse. Yes. I said, come. Kitty, I want to take you.
What?
Kitty, just take it. Take my offering. Kitty, come. No, you better not run from me. Cat, come here. Come. You better come. No, come. No, bad cat. Bad kitty. Bad. No, Kitty. Kitty, no. Kitty, no. Kitty. Don't eat that. Kitty. Kitty. Do I have to have a full inventory? Take my food! Oh my god, I'm sorry. I have to put you on your misery. Stay. I do not like hurting animals. I'm sorry, Kitty. I'm sorry. You were hurt and I couldn't feed you. No, I have to make a memorial for him. I'm gonna name him. Oh no, what should we name him, guys? We need some wood. I think we should name him we should name him Barry. Yes. Barry the cat. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm gonna have to end this episode. Hope you guys. Oh, what? Whoa, what is that? Turtle?